Hi everyone, it's Miss Nicky here. Can you keep a secret? Very soon it will be Mother's Day. Do you know what Mother's Day is? That's right, it's a very special day where we get to show not only our mummies, but our aunties, our nanas, and all of the special ladies who help to care for us, just how much we love them. Now there are lots of ways to say I love you. You could pick a special flower, you could make a card, you could draw a special picture, or just give a great big hug to say thank you. Whatever you do, friends, I hope you have a wonderful Mother's Day. We can do this. I'll see you really soon.